The sixth sutta of this chapter. Good to see your questions. I hope you remember the background. The 16 disciples of Bhavri, that great Brahman, had gone to question. This is the sixth disciple questioning him. And very deep questions they ask. Upasiva's questions. Read on the first. Ekoham sakkamaham tamodham anissito no visahamitaritum arammanam bhuvi samantachakku yam nissito gamimam tareyam. So it says Ekoham sakka. So Shakya, I am alone. Mahantamobham, this huge ocean I have to cross. Anissito no visahamitaritum. Without assistance, I will not be able to cross it. Arammanam bruhi. Please tell me that object. Samanta chakshu, or one who sees the all-seeing one. Yam nissito bhogamimam tare. By support of which I will be able to cross this flood or cross this stream.
अकिंचन्यन्नं पिक्खमानो सतमा नद्धीति निस्साय तरस्य ओधि कामे पहाय विरतो गथात् तणख्यं नद्धमहां विपस्य.
Akinchanyannam pekhamano satima. So I mean, being mindful, you have the perception of nothingness, that there is nothing. Oh, to see you. Nathikti nisaya tarasu. So, in that manner, you shall cross the ocean. Kame pahai, having abundant sensual pleasures. Virato kathani, and having abandoned them completely. Tanha khayam, having free from the doubts. Nattam ahamabhipassa. You will begin to see and then long for extinction of tanha. Tanha khayam, nattam ahamabhipassa. So, having the perception of nothingness, being mindful that this world, there is nothing with which you should create tanha. So if you get that perception, so with that support, you should be able to cross it. Because tanha is arising because you think there is something to which you can hold on.
Sabbesu kamesu yo vitarago akinchanyam nisito hitva nityam sanya vimokhe parme vimukto tithi nuso tatha anayuyai.
The commentary, as far as I remember, says that these people had already perfected the meditation of nothingness, that jhana, seventh jhana, where you think there is nothing. So you started from that as the base and then told them that if you really take that perception seriously, then there should be no tanha, to really believe it. So he is saying, Sabbesu kamesu yo vitarago, who is free from attachment to all sensual pleasures. Sabbeshu kamesu akinchanyam nisto hitva manyam. And having got that knowledge of nothingness and taking support of that, hitva manyam, and anything else you leave, everything else. Ma anya means anything else, everything else you leave, having only resorted to nothingness. Sanya vimokhe parame vimukti, and you are liberated in the highest freedom, param vimukti, from perception. Means you are not in the trap of perception. Tithe nuso tattha anumyayai. So you remain there and not return again. anagami if you practice in that manner.
So these garments will be the Apni is Udikamayam Sayam Yuki Dharani the previous Anna Yai.
So just repeating that he who is free from passion for all sensual pleasures and having resorted to nothingness and left everything else, is liberated in the highest freedom, he will remain there without returning again. So just repeating to confirm that he has understood this. But then he asks the next question.
तिष्ठे चेसो दत्त अनानुयायी पूगम विवस्सानं समन्तचक्षु तथैव सोऽसीतसिया विमुक्तो च वेत्थ विज्ञानं तथा विदस्स.
Tikthe cheso tatha anuyayi. So if he remains there, Udgami Vasanam, for a huge number of years, if he remains there, without returning, Samanta Chakshu, you great seer, Tatheva so Siti Siya Vimukto, will he become tranquil and free from there itself? Chaveta Vinyanam Tatha Vidhissa. Will consciousness still exist for such a person? Still asking the deeper issue whether he will be still there. There will be some person will remain, some entity will remain. Acchi yatha vatavagena khitta atham paleti na upeti sankham evam muni namakaya vimukto atham paleti na upeti sankham. So it says yatha vatavagena khitta, just as a flame which is blown by the wind, atham paleti na upeti sankham, it goes out and you cannot figure out where it has gone. It's no longer existing. It cannot be reckoned. Evam muni namakaya vimukta. Similarly, a muni is delivered from name and nama and rupa. Atham paleti na upeti sankham. It disappears from there and you cannot be reckoned as existing somewhere. So just as the flame goes, an anagami, once he goes there and then stays there for some time, and by practice he will reach a state where he will be liberated from there itself.
Tangato so udva so natti udaho ve sassatiya arogo tamme muni sadhu diya karo tatha hite vido es
So you see with Vedantic notion है ना, कहीं तो होगा वो, कुछ तो रहेगा. He'll be eternally happy, he'll be eternally in bliss. So he's asking the same question. So has he only disappeared or does he not exist any longer? Athangato so udvana so natti, है ही नहीं क्या? Udhaho ve sasatiya arogo, is in a perpetual sense of bliss. Arog है without any trouble, he is in a sasatiya, शाश्वत उस स्थिति में रहता है क्या? तम में मुनि साधु विहा करो हो मुनि, please tell me, explain me properly. तथा ही ते विदतो एष धम्म, so that this dhamma is not known to me clearly, so please explain to me. Will he remain in that perpetual state of well-being there?
Athan gatsa
Gatasya
gatasya na ama
Pamana Thi.
yena nam vujuntam tassanati sabesu dhamesu samohatesu samohata vada vad vad athapi sabbe.
Athangatasya, one who has gone out, na pamanamati, उसका कोई प्रमाण नहीं, उसका कोई you can't, nothing by which you can measure him. Yena nam vejum tam tassanati. So there is nothing by which you can measure him, about which you can talk about. Sabbeshu dhammesu samohateshu, one who has all ways of being have been cut off for him. Samuhata vadat pathapi sabbe. So there is no way that you can describe him. So all ways of description are wrong. Because that that feeling remains. Na? Something will remain. Kuch to hoga. He's saying there is no way that you can describe him. You remember that Mala, the Vatsya Gota का जो बार-बार क्वेश्चन पूछता था, the way he silenced him was with the same example of a fire burning there on wood. And he says, when the wood is finished, fire is gone. He says, okay, where it is gone? Left, right, east, west, north, south. He says, this is not a question, it is not valid. Because wood is not there, fire is not there. So exactly same. So the question is not valid. Craving, aversion, greed, hatred, delusion are not there. So there is no being finished. That is a real stumbling block between Vedanta and the teaching of the Buddha. That is the real stumbling block. It doesn't match.
So Vedanta, at least what I believe is that they say that you merge with the Supreme Consciousness, and then the sense that we believe there is an I or a personal I doesn't exist.
Yeah, but they always talk about I am. I am the consciousness. So that gives the perception of the notion of individuality remains there. So that is what is the state of in the 4 stages of description, which enlightenment which Buddha talks of. That is the state of anaga. The person still retains that notion I am. He is free from craving, free from aversion, but still that notion of I am. So when that is drawn off, then he is fully enlightened. That's the way that explains. Famous dialogue है इसी तरह. I don't know whether you studied Khemka Sutta है.
The scent,
That's flower की scent रह जाती है. तो वो उससे पूछते रहते हैं तो कहता है हाँ मैं राग नहीं है, द्वेष नहीं है, और I'm not an aran. What are you talking? So then they finally explains it in this manner. Still that notion of I know I am not the body, mind complex, but still I am feeling that I am. There is something. That feeling of I amness is where
if we equate that with Vedanta, that once that goes away, then the personal I am goes away.
Yeah. It is clear. It's not just here. It is here. So one is then only functional chitta jo हमने पढ़ा था in Abhidhamma. So one is then operating with the functional chitta.
ये मैं है आई एम, ये राग में नहीं आता है.
ये मान में अस्मि माना डिल्यूजन की स्टेट
डिल्यूजन जो है किसमें आएगा? राग द्वेष में.
मोह. It is what is more. I mean, in that sense. बड़ी बैटरी किया भी था चलता. कई दिनों बाद यूज होता है, संडे को यूज करता हूँ. पिछले दिनों से मैंने यूज ही नहीं किया इसको, इसलिए लगता है बड़ी बैटरी यूज होती है. चलिए हमारा तो काम हो गया, थी करता है.
This is very small. It ends here.
Yeah, they're all small questions. 7-8 questions जो हर एक ने पूछे ना. They're very
Small in the number of words.
Yeah. But मुझे लग रहा था कि थोड़ा और एक्सप्लेन करेंगे, कोई और पूछे, उसका कोई रिवर्स क्वेश्चन आएगा.
वो जो पूछने वाला है वो पहले ही 6-7 ध्यान कर रहा है, तो उस लेवल में क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा है, तो उसको जवाब भी उसी तरह से दिया गया है ताकि वो उसको समझ जाए कि मैं कहाँ पहुँचा हूँ, क्या दिक्कत है. आपने भेज दिया?
सर मैं इस बार प्रेजेंटेशन बना नहीं पाया,
ठीक है
बट
सर,
जो
Let's
मैं
go
टॉक सुन रहा था उसको पढ़ सकते हैं।
दैट्स फाइन.